Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal cookies healthy. First, focus on reducing the amount of added sugars. You can often cut down by 1/4 or even 1/3 without sacrificing flavor. Next, swap out unhealthy fats like butter for options such as applesauce or mashed banana. These simple changes significantly improve the nutritional profile of your favorite treat. We'll explore more specific ingredient substitutions and baking tips to create delicious, guilt-free cookies. To make your oatmeal cookies healthier, consider smart ingredient swaps. Opt for whole wheat flour over white flour to boost fiber and nutrients. Instead of refined white sugar, try natural sweeteners such as maple syrup or honey, using about 2/3 the amount. For fats, substitute up to 1/2 of the butter with unsweetened applesauce or mashed ripe banana, which also adds moisture and natural sweetness. These changes maintain great taste while enhancing health benefits. Boost the nutrition and flavor of your oatmeal cookies with smart additions. Incorporate 1/2 cup of chopped nuts like walnuts or pecans for healthy fats and protein. Dried fruits, such as raisins or cranberries, add natural sweetness and extra fiber without needing more sugar. Spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or ginger can significantly enhance the flavor profile, making your cookies taste richer and more satisfying. These simple steps elevate your healthy baking. Enjoy your delicious, healthier oatmeal cookies in moderation. Remember, portion control is crucial for any treat, even a healthy one. Store your freshly baked cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 to 4 days to maintain their texture and flavor. They also freeze well for longer storage. For a truly effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer for keeping your kitchen crumb-free. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.